Welcome traders, Patrick Head Trader, Trading123.net. In this video, we're going to do a rundown of the day's plays here on Friday, February 1st, 2019. These are our crude oil trades. So basically on this day, we're trading, as our new auto trader shows, 3 contracts with a stop of 14. Our goal is $620 in profit with a loss of 14 ticks, which is $280. And this is when we started the auto trader, enabled it. Some news come out about 8:30 on economic numbers on Friday, and the market, all markets shot up. Crude oil went up about 40 or 50 ticks. So we started it right in the middle of the run. It went up, and of course there's going to be a trend change after a big run like that. We're trading 3 contracts, 1, 2, 3, and we use unmanaged orders, so they all get filled at the same price during any market conditions, slow or fast. And basically we get a little sell-off, and our first 2 profit targets hit their targets, and the third one hits our stop. So we get some gains in that. In a wider range market now with the crude oil the past 2 weeks. So we're, instead of going for $320, $350 profit, we doubled it up to $600. And then we get a reversal, long 3 contracts again at 54.04. Up we go. And our max gain is hit, and it puts it on the chart right here. Trading halted, max daily gain. This is a new feature in the new auto trader for NinjaTrader 8 version 2. So if you're still using the auto trader for Ninja 8 from last year, email us or contact us for a link to download the latest updated version. Now let's look at the next trade. So some nice profits in only 20 minutes of trading, and we know the market's going to have a big day because of those economic numbers, so we're going to leave our profit goal pretty high for the day. So the last trade ended just after 9 o'clock, and so usually we like to wait to right before the open to start the auto trader, if not at the open. And basically, the bell rang here at 9:30, and the auto trader got long 3 contracts at 54.39. And basically, it went up, hit the price targets, and then we had a reversal. And again, we hit our max daily gain on the second trade of the day, so that puts us up over $1,000 for the day, trading for 1 hour. Now let's look at the next trade. So on Fridays, there's a lot of economic numbers that come out between 9:45 and just after 10 o'clock, around 10 o'clock. So we like to wait and start trading, you know, from 10:15 to 10:45. And the market, the crude oil had peaked here at a high and was kind of going sideways. So we waited till after 10:30 to start the auto trader as it was trending up. And basically from 10:30 to 11 o'clock is a good time where a lot of volume comes into the market, and we know we're going to get a move, and we get a move higher here. And we lowered our goal because it was Friday, and going into the 11 o'clock hour, I had a feeling that the volume would get a little light. So we're already up for the day in our first 2 trades. So we're just looking to get some additional profits. And basically we had a goal of 320. Got long here, 3 contracts. Hit our profit targets. And basically locked in our profits and hit our goal and stopped trading and printed the max daily gain on the chart. So in trading each day, you got to analyze what the market is telling you by reading the charts. And basically, like I said, it looked like the market was going to slow down. So, I mean, we're not going to put no $2,000 goal there when we're in a tight range. So quite happy with the profit that we did have. And we got 3 trades, had 100% winners. Then after that trade, we launched another trade just after 11 o'clock. As 11 to 11:30 is a prime time where the market moves, and we left our profit goal the same. As you see, we're still trading 3 contracts. It gets long, gets some profit, gets short, gets some profit, gets long, gets some profit, and then down. Hits our max daily goal. We had 12 trades, 75% winners. There was a stop here. And so pretty good. Hit our profit goal once again. Little shy on some slippage from the 320, but that happens. No complaints. I purposely put the profit goal at 320 because I want to make at least 300 after commissions. So I allow for a little bit of slippage. So it's 11:30 on Friday. Market is in tight ranges, so there's no need to keep trading. We had 4 successful trades for some nice profits. And we'll look at the market in the afternoon to see if it breaks out or the ranges are still tight. And we'll make up our mind on whether to run the auto trader or not. So we come back afternoon and we see that the market is ready to break out over 55. This has been a big resistance that I pointed out on Twitter all week in the past few weeks, 55. So it goes up. We started the auto trader. It goes up, hits the new high, has a little pullback, gets short, and we get stopped out on the 3 contracts for a small loss. And what I did here is I knew we would break out and go at least 40 to 60 ticks, and I set the profit goal to unlimited, so it's 0. My loss is still the same, still trading 3 contracts, stop is 14. And I had my profit targets still the same from the earlier session. And that's one mistake I did make. I had it set to 5 and 8. Because on the first 2 contracts, 5 and 8, if you hit those in each trend change, you know, that's $130 profit. So you get a trend down and you hit those, that's 130, trend up 130, and then a trend down 130. You made your $300 goal plus the runner. So we get hit quickly on these first 2 contracts to lock in some profit, and then the market takes off and our stop adjusts as it goes up. And then we get out pretty much, I thought, was near the high. We take our profits and call it a day, $479. Pretty good trade for the afternoon session, and add it to our daily goal. And we had a fabulous day on a Friday. Crude oil is really picking up and having some wide ranges, so there's plenty of opportunities throughout the day to make money, but usually it puts in its big moves, you know, from 10:15 to noon, and then in the afternoon from 1:15 to 2:30. So, you know, not always the pre-market you're going to see some action. So I hope you enjoyed the videos. And this is the Trading123 YouTube channel. Like us if you want some more trading tips and more videos on how we trade with the Auto Trader. And like us on Facebook and Twitter. See you next time. Good luck with your trading.